Hey there, you're watching CounterTop Lifestyle, where we show you how to whip up delicious healthy meals right on your counter to save you time and make as little mess as possible. Today, we're sharing our 5 best microwave egg recipes with you because who doesn't like eggs for breakfast, right? Okay, I'm actually not a huge fan of eggs, but my hubby and daughter approve, so without further delay, let's get started. All information about the recipes, cook times, tools I use, and more will be found in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. We're starting off with the best microwave scrambled egg recipe. For this dish, you will need olive oil in a sprayer like this one, garlic powder, pink salt, ginger, and any other seasoning that you want to add, 2 eggs, a tablespoon, a fork, a standard mug or microwave egg cooker, fat-free milk, shredded cheese. And no, this video is not sponsored by Food Line. Before you crack your egg, spray the inside of the mug with olive oil. I kept forgetting in this video, but be sure you do that for each of these recipes so that your egg doesn't stick. Then crack your egg and add your desired seasoning. I use about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder and a tiny pinch of ginger and salt. Last but not least, add your milk and cheese, then whisk away. I like to use a fork, but you can also find tiny cute whisks that would be great for this too. Cook your eggs in the microwave on high for 35-second intervals until your eggs have reached your desired consistency. Each time you take the eggs out of the microwave, break them apart with your fork with the same motion as scrambling them raw. Next, we're cooking up some poached eggs. I have to admit that these aren't my strong suit at making, but I like my yolks hard anyways. If you like runny yolks, just reduce the time you put the egg in the microwave. All you need for this recipe is a standard mug or microwave egg cooker, about 3/4 of a cup of water, an egg, and a pinch of salt. Start by cracking the egg in the mug. Then pour your water over it so that it's submerged in water, but not overflowing your container. Cook on high for 2 minutes. Try 1.5 minutes for a runny yolk. Once it's done, pour the water back into the container you had it in, and presto, your poached egg is ready. Salt, pepper, and season to taste, and enjoy! Our third recipe might give you a challenge at first, but I promise you with a little practice, you'll be an egg splitter pro in a snap. We're cooking up some egg whites. For this recipe, you will need a bowl, a fork, a standard mug or microwave egg cooker, olive oil in a spray bottle like this one, 2 eggs, pink salt, and seasonings of your choice. All you have to do to split an egg is break it and put it up on its side so that you catch the yolk in the shell. Carefully pass the yolk from one half to the other until the white drops in the bowl. Don't worry if you don't get it at first. I broke the yolk on my first egg shooting this video too. Once the egg whites are separated, add your desired seasoning and whisk it with a fork or one of those little cute whisks if you have one. Turn your microwave's heat down to medium and cook your egg whites for 1 minute. Then take it out, stir, and put it back in the microwave for another minute on medium. Then plop it on a plate and it's done. Our next recipe is for over medium or over hard eggs, whichever you prefer. For this best microwave over easy eggs recipe, you will need a standard size mug or microwave egg cooker, a spray bottle with olive oil in it like this one, an egg, a fork, and some pink salt. Start off by spraying the mug with olive oil. Coat the sides and the bottom. Then crack the egg and drop it straight into the mug. Poke the egg with a fork so that it makes ventilation holes. If you skip this step, your egg may explode all over your microwave, and that's not time-saving or mess-free, so we do not condone that madness here at CounterTop Lifestyles. Haha! Add salt and whatever seasonings you want. Put it in the microwave on medium heat for 1 minute. This will keep your yolk runny, but if you don't like it runny like this, put it back in the microwave for 30 to 60 more seconds or until it's firm. Plate it, eat it, and run out the door with the kids in tow. Last but not least, we're making spinach quiche. For this recipe, you're going to need some shredded cheese, fat-free milk, spinach, an egg, a pinch of pink salt, olive oil in a sprayer like this one, and a standard size mug or microwave egg cooker. Start off by cooking the spinach. To do this, you need to put a tiny bit of water with the spinach in your mug. Cover it with a napkin or other microwave safe top and microwave it on high for 1 minute. Once it's done, carefully pour out all the excess liquid. Then spray your mug with olive oil, coating the top and sides. You can be lazy like me and leave the spinach in the mug, but you're really supposed to take it out. Add the egg, milk, cheese, seasoning of your choice, and whisk it all together with your fork or a cute little hand whisk until everything is mixed together. Put it in the microwave on high for 1 minute. Take it out, stir, and continue this pattern until your eggs reach your desired consistency. Then eat it in the mug or put it on a plate. It tastes good either way, just be careful because the mug might be a little hot. And that's all I have for you today. I hope these 5 best microwave egg recipes have helped you to see how quick, easy, and healthy breakfast can be even when things get a little crazy. If you have any questions, comments, or other feedback, please leave them in the comment box below. Don't forget to check out the description for more details about each recipe, including measurements, tools, etc. And click on the red subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you will be notified when we upload our next healthy, quick recipe for you and your family. See you next time on CounterTop Lifestyle.